kinetic tests here. So for the standing kinetic tests, we have two. We have an ipsilateral and a contralateral. Knowing from our Portland test that she has issues on the right side, we're going to focus in on this side here. We're going to have one finger here on the PSIS, one on the spinous process of S2. Okay, and then for the ipsilateral, we're going to be asking her to lift the ipsilateral leg. Okay, looking for the ability of the PSIS to descend relative to the S2. Okay, so in her situation, it may be a little hard to see. Go ahead and lift that leg, but what we get is an actual elevation and almost adduction of that PSIS on that side. Okay, for the contralateral, the only thing that changes is now I'm having her lift her left leg instead of the right. Hand placement remains the same here. What I'm expecting to see now is tension here will take up the range of motion in this left side SI joint in order to pull the sacrum inferiorly, creating a relative anterior rotation on this right side. So again, we'll get onto this, we'll have her lift that left leg, and that elevates slightly initially, and then it kind of almost like squinches together a little bit. So a little dysfunctional even though it's the opposite motion. And it's probably because she's in weight bearing on this side at that point, which affects the axis, the oblique axis on that right side. So it's not uncommon to see both standing tests end up being positive. Okay, good.